In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a Sendgrid email template step by step. If you're looking to create engaging and professional emails, having a solid grasp of Sendgrid is essential. So let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Sendgrid homepage. As you arrive on this page, you'll find the wide range of tools Sendgrid offers, from email API to email marketing campaigns. But for our purpose today, it's all about getting your template started. On the top right corner, you'll see the Sign In button. Click on it to log into your Sendgrid account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up to access the template features. Once you're logged in, you're going to be directed to your main dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything you do within Sendgrid, providing quick access to all its features. Now, to get going with designing your email template, locate the Email API section on this dashboard. Click on it and you'll be taken to a new page specifically designed for creating and managing your email templates. Within the Email API page, you'll want to look for the Dynamic Templates option. Click on it. This is where the magic happens. Dynamic templates allow you to craft fully customizable emails that can be easily modified to suit various purposes, be it newsletters, updates, or promotions. Here you have the option to create a new dynamic template. Typically, there's a button labeled Create a Dynamic Template, or similar wording depending on updates or changes to the interface. Click this button to initiate your template creation process. When creating your template, you'll be prompted to input details such as the template name and type. Make sure to choose a descriptive and easy to remember name so it's easily identifiable among other templates you might create in the future. Next, you'll be taken to the template building interface. Here you can start designing by adding elements like text, images, and buttons using a drag and drop editor. It's user friendly, letting you see real-time changes and adjustments. You have the freedom to style your email with colors, fonts, and formatting options that align with your brand's identity. As you customize, periodically preview the changes to ensure everything appears as you intend. Pay attention to details, as these emails represent your communication style to your audience. Furthermore, remember to save your work frequently to avoid losing any changes. Once you're satisfied with the design, save your template. After that, it'll be ready for integration into your campaigns, or can be sent out directly through Sendgrid's tools. And there you have it. You've successfully designed a Sendgrid email template from scratch. By following these steps, you can ensure that your emails stand out, help engage your audience, and convey a professional image. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.